Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's that time of the year, so I created this easy glam look for this fall season. So if you want to know how I created this look, then please keep on watching. So the first thing I'm gonna do is priming my eyes with the MAC Cosmetics paint pot in the color Soft Ochre.
Traveling mountains just to find the loudest seas. We said down by the fire, knowing we couldn't.
I will use the Sunrise palette by Natasha Denona, and guys, I already love this palette. I only use it for this look, but the colors have a great pigmentation.
But here I am.
I will start with the color Morgan, and I will blend this all over the crease with a fluffy blending brush.
To go, 'cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
And build it up with the same color. And the next color is Jasper. I will dip this all over my lid with a small blending brush, and I will blend the same color in the crease on top of the color Morgan. Morgan was my transition color.
So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
And blend the hard lines together with the color Morgan. I will add some sparkle on this look, so I will use the color Flux on my lid. And blend everything together with the colors Morgan and Jasper. So I will use the color Jasper also on my lower lash line.
We were traveling mountains just to find the loudest seas. We said down by the fire, knowing we couldn't higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my fun
And I'll use this dark purple color to make it a little bit darker.
tropic club.
And highlight the inner corner with this gold color Laurel. And I'm using this white eye pencil to make my eyes look a little bit bigger.
Memories die out too hard. But we were traveling mountains just to find the loudest seas.
So this is the result of today's video. It's a very easy look to do, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope to see you by my next one. Bye guys!
Hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying